Hello, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power 2 minus t raised to power 3 is equal to 2, and here we to solve for the value of t. So to solve this solution, we have t raised to power 2 minus t raised to power 3 is equal to 2. So the first thing we're going to do is to move these 2 over to this side of the equation, such that this becomes t raised to power 2, then minus t raised to power 3, then minus 2, then is equal to, here becomes 0. And with this, we have t raised to power 2 minus t raised to power 3. Now, minus, we can write this 2 as 1 plus 1, right? Is then equal to 0. Now, at this junction, we are going to express this 1 as 1 squared, because 1 squared is same thing as 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And also, we are also going to, in the place of 1 also bring in 1 raised to power 3, because if you have 1 in 3 places, 1 times 1 times 1 will equal to 1. Now, look at how we are going to bring this in. So, we have t raised to power 2 minus t raised to power 3, then minus in bracket this 1, we can replace it with 1 squared. So 1 squared, then plus this 1, replace it with 1 cube. So 1 cube is then all equal to 0. So from here, to then solve this further, so from here, we have t raised to power 2 minus t raised to power 3. Now, minus, we open the bracket. Minus times 1 squared is minus 1 squared. Minus times plus is minus. Then we have 1 raised to power 3 is all equal to 0. So with this, we are going to bring the like terms together. So we have t squared, then minus 1 squared. Okay, then we have minus t raised to power 3. Then we have minus 1 raised to power 3 is then equal to 0. So from here, what we are then going to do is that t squared minus 1 squared, then we have a common factor which is minus 1. So minus into brackets, we have t raised to power 3, then plus 1 raised to power 3 is all equal to 0. Now looking at this, we have difference of 2 squared right here, and then we also have the sum of 2 cube. So for the first one, which is the difference of 2 squared, if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay, and for the second one, in which we have the sum of 2 cube, if you have a cube plus b cube, this is equal to, in bracket, a plus b, then multiplied by a squared minus ab, then plus b squared. Now in this case, the value of a is t, while the value of b is equal to 1. So for the first one, which is t squared minus 1 squared, let us then expand it, making use of a squared minus b squared. So a is t, so t in brackets, a is t, then minus b is 1, then multiplied by a is t, then plus b is 1. Okay, so we have expanded this. The next one is to work on this. We have minus, okay, then in brackets, this minus is minus right here, then a is t plus b is 1, all multiplied by a squared. A is t, so t squared minus a is t, then b is 1. So 2 times 1 is t, then plus b squared. B is 1, that becomes 1 squared. Okay, don't forget that it's all equal to 0. It's all equal to 0. So from here, what we have is that we have a common factor which is t plus 1 and t plus 1. So factorize out t plus 1 in bracket t plus 1. Okay, now if you divide t minus 1 multiplied by t plus 1 with t plus 1, what you will get is t minus 1. So we have t minus 1. And also then we have minus, if you divide t plus 1 multiplied by t squared minus t plus 1 squared with t plus 1, we are going to get t squared minus t plus 1 squared. So t squared, then minus, in bracket minus t, then plus 1 squared is 1. Okay, is all equal to 0. Good. So with this, the next thing for us to do is that we're going to write this as in bracket t plus 1, then multiplied by t minus 1. Now minus will open the bracket, minus times t squared is minus t squared, minus times minus t is plus t, minus times plus 1 is minus 1, all is equal to 0. Now from here, we have it as t plus 1, then multiplied by, we have minus t squared, we have t here, then t here, t plus t is plus 2t, then we have minus 1 here, and minus 1 here, that becomes minus 2, all is equal to 0. Now at this junction, what we can do is that we can, equate this to 0, or also equate this to 0. So for the first one, t plus 1 is equal to 0, or second one, minus t squared plus 2t minus 2 is equal to 0. Now for this linear equation, the value of t is equal to, if we move plus 1 over to this side, it becomes minus 1. So the first value of t is equal to minus 1. Okay, that is not all. Let us then solve for the other value of t from this equation. Now let us rearrange this such that we multiply both sides of the equation with minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by, we have minus t squared plus 2t minus 2 is equal to 0 times minus 1. Now minus 1 times minus t squared is plus t squared, then minus 1 times plus 2t is minus 2t, then minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2, all is equal to 0 times minus 1 is 0. So here we have a quadratic equation, and to solve for the value of t, we are going to make use of the quadratic formula. So with respect to t, the formula is t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, then all over 2a. Now in this case, the value of a is the coefficient of t squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is minus 2. And the value of c is the constant, which is plus 2. So in putting these values into the formula, the value of t from here, the value of t is then equal to minus into bracket, b is minus 2, then plus or minus square root, we have b squared, b is minus 2, so minus 2 all squared, then minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 2, then all over 2 times a is 1. So from here, the value of t is then equal to minus times minus 2 is plus 2, then plus or minus square root, minus 2 squared is 4, then minus 4 times 1 times 2 is 8, then all over 2 times 1 is 2. From here, t is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 is minus 4, then all over 2. From here, t is equal to 2 plus or minus, we can write root minus 4 as root minus 1 times root 4, then all over 2. So to then solve for the value of t is equal to, we have 2 plus or minus, root minus 1 is I, then times root 4 is 2, all over 2. So then the value of t is equal to 2 we divide 2, we have 1 plus or minus I. So 2 we also divide 2, we also have it as 1. 1 times I is I. So therefore, the second value of t is equal to 1 plus I, while the third value of t is equal to 1 minus I. So with this, these are the two complex solutions for the value of t. The real solution of t is t1 is equal to minus 1. Good. Now we've gotten the solution for the value of t. Let us then confirm if the solution is the correct answer that we satisfy the given equation. So recall that the question is given to us as t squared minus 3 to the power 3 is equal to 2. So for the real solution of t, which is t1 is equal to minus 1, let us check this out. Check. Now we put in the value of t as minus 1 into the equation. T is minus 1, then all squared, then minus t is minus 1, then all raised to the power 3, with this equal to question mark. Now minus 1 squared is equal to minus 1 times minus 1, and minus 1 times minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So this becomes 1, then minus. Now, minus 1 cube is equal to minus 1. Is then equal to 2. So this is equal to question mark. From here, 1 minus times minus is plus. So we have 1, which is equal to, obviously, 1 plus 1 is 2, and this is equal to 2. So that means that the solution for the real solution of 2, which equals minus 1, is the correct solution. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.